Welcome to this short tutorial on how to slow down YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are quick, often fast-paced videos, but sometimes you might want to take it slow to catch every detail and understand the content better. Let's dive into how you can slow them down. First, open the YouTube mobile app on your device and play the short you want to slow down. Once the video is playing, tap on the like button to add it to your liked videos. Next, tap on the library icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your library, find and tap on the liked videos playlist. Here, you should see the YouTube short you just liked. Tap on the short to play it again. While the video is playing, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the video screen. Now you'll see an option for playback speed. Tap on it. Here, you have several speed options. 0.75x for a slightly slower video, same x for half speed, 0.25x if you want to go really slow. Choose the speed that suits your needs. Once you've selected your preferred speed, enjoy watching the short at your chosen pace. And that's it! You've successfully slowed down a YouTube short. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.